Hello students, I am Sayyada Ma'am here and today we will be learning English Grammar Chapter 1, The Alphabet Part 2. Students, in the previous video we learned about the English alphabet A to Z. I told you there are 26 letters in the English alphabet and their order cannot be changed. Now let's move ahead. Students, open your books to page number 10. This is your grammar book, page number 10. And today let's start with question number C. Let's start with question number C. Put the following letters in the correct alphabetical order. Students, what do you mean by alphabetical order? Alphabetical order means in the order of the letters of the alphabet. In the order of the letters of the alphabet. Like A, B, C, D, E, F and so on till the letter Z. So students, here we have got these letters which we are going to arrange in the alphabetical order. Students, let us start saying R, A, B, C. So let's start from the letter A. So students, do we have the letter A here? Do we have the letter A here? Yes. So write A in the blank, students. A, B, then we have the letter B, then we have the letter C, then we have the letter D, and then we have the letter E. So students, this is known as alphabetical order. A, B, C, D, and E. Now, let's move to question number 2. Here we have P, L, P, N, O, M and L. Students, again we are going to say our A, B, C, D. And the moment we come to any of these letters, we have to stop. Let's start saying our ABC. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Stop, students. We have got the letter L. Can you see we have got the letter L here? So let us start writing L. First we will write L. Then we will write M. Then we have N. Then we have O. And then we have P. So we will write L, M, N, O and P on the blank. This is known as alphabetical order. L, M, N, O and P. Now let's move on to the next one, students. Question number 3. Here we have got the letters R, Q, T, S and P. Now let us arrange these letters also in alphabetical order by saying our A, B, C, D. And the moment we come to any of these letters, we are going to stop. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Stop, students. Yes, so we are going to first write the letter P. P, then we are going to write Q, then we are going to write R, then we will write S, and then we are going to write T. So it goes like this: P, Q, R, S and T. This is known as alphabetical order. Now let's move on to the fourth one. We have got the letters L, K, J, I and H. Let us again start saying our ABC, students. And the moment we come to any of these letters, we have to stop. Very good. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Students, we have got the letter H here. So let us first write the letter H. We are going to write first letter H. Then we are going to write I. Then we have J. Then we have K. And then we have L. So it goes like this: H, I, J, K, L. Let's go on to the last one, students, number 5. Here we have got the letters X, W, V, Y and Z. So let us again start our ABCD. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. Students, here we have got the letter V first. So let's write V. Then we have W. Then we have X. Then we have Y. And then we have Z. So students, you have to write V, W, X, Y, Z. So students, have you understood? This is known as alphabetical order. Now let's move on, students, to a new topic. It is known as vowels and consonants. Students, do you know what are vowels and consonants? I think you know what are vowels and consonants. So first, let us understand what are vowels. Students, we have 5 vowels. Let us see in the next slide. We have 5 vowels: A, E, I, O and U. Students, they are known as vowels. They are called vowels and they help us to make words. And then, as we have 5 fingers on our hand, we have 5 vowels. How many vowels, students? 5 vowels. Let us count the vowels. A, E, I, O and U. We have 5 vowels. Let's repeat. A, E, I, O and U. So students, did you understand what are vowels? We have got 5 vowels. Now let's move on. Students, now let us learn what are consonants. What are consonants, students? As we have got 5 vowels, we have got 21 consonants. The rest of the letters are known as consonants. Let us count the consonants, students. We have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 and 21 consonants. And how many vowels, students? 5 vowels. Well done, students. Now let's move to the next slide and see what are vowels and consonants. Students, as I told you, we have got 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U. And we have got 21 consonants. Let us count the consonants once again. First, let us count the vowels, students. A, E, I, O and U are known as vowels. So there are 5 vowels in the English alphabet. And how many consonants, students? We have got 21 consonants. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 and 21 consonants. So students, again let us repeat the vowels and consonants. We have 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U and we have 21 consonants. So students, let us go back to the previous slide and understand what are vowels and consonants. Students, vowels and consonants. A, E, I, O, U are called vowels. They help us to make words. And students, the rest of the letters of the English alphabet are known as consonants. And There are very few words in English without vowels in them. Most of the words in English have vowels in them, students. So students, here we come to the end of this topic, vowels and consonants. In the next video, when I come back, we will start the exercise on page number 11, question number D. So in the next video, students, please be ready with your grammar books. Once again, I repeat, we have got 5 vowels and we have got 21 consonants. Students, please remember, in the next video again I'm going to ask you what are vowels and what are consonants. Thank you for watching this video, students. Take care. Goodbye.